Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to show you two credit cards that you can get approved for, that you can get added to your credit reports also, because they're going to report to the credit bureaus that have higher limits. So sometimes you want to go buy trade lines. Sometimes in the past, people may have signed up for like My Jewelers Club because they wanted a $5,000 account on their credit reports. They're having problems with their reporting, and you may not like the point that it may come off your credit reports. You got to spend so much money, and it's only $5,000. So I want to show you guys like other credit cards you can get. Now I applied for both of these credit cards before. I had them in the past. When I applied for them, I believe my credit score at the time was like a 620. It wasn't a 620, 640, and they pulled my Equifax credit report, and there was nothing on there. So I want to make sure you guys kind of have those two, like a 620 or 640 or higher, and then make sure you don't have any negative accounts at all on those accounts on your credit report. But when I applied, I believe my limit with them was like $12,000, and then also my limit with them was like $11,000. So like 12, 11 altogether, because they actually had a Vision one for Alpheon before. Hope I'm even saying that right, but they had a Vision one before, and it was like over 30 something $1,000 total I had out of all three. So this is a great way for you guys to have a credit card on your credit report. Now, usually these credit cards is used for, this one here is used for if you want to have some type of surgery, a lot of times cosmetic surgery. A lot of people get this credit card. Think of this kind of like a care credit card. And then the Smile Generation, this is more of like a thing for your teeth, if you want to get your teeth done. So that's why they give out high limits. But if you want to go ahead and apply for these cards, all you have to do is go to their website and click Start Now, and you guys can go ahead and apply for this card. Now, don't forget, I said 620 to 640. And I think the lowest I seen somebody get on this one was like $7,500, because this is a credit card used to help a lot of people get. But definitely, you guys, they want to see if, they already have your information in the system. A lot of times they can find out by your mobile number, social security number, and then your zip code. So go ahead and put that information in and click continue. Now, understand, you guys, these are credit cards. You can technically use these credit cards if you want to, but the interest rate on these credit cards are very high. So they're very high. So I don't really want you to get these credit cards unless you wanted to get the surgery. Maybe that you wanted to get the surgery, and this is a great credit card. I don't want you to get the credit card and feel like you have to use it. This is a credit card that you may just get temporarily and have it sit on your credit, so that now it looks like you have like a high limit. You have high limit credit cards on your credit reports, so it can boost your credit score. And then also, when you apply for more credit cards, they're going to see that you have another high limit credit card, and they're going to try to match you now on that credit card or give you a higher limit. And if you start off with a lower limit with these credit cards, you can always call them. Go ahead and give them a call. You can see down here at the bottom, go ahead and give them a call and say, hey, for the procedure I'm trying to do, I actually need more money. Is there a way that I can actually get more money on my card, so I can go ahead and do my procedure? Then they'll ask you like, well, how much you need? Now, when they did that to me, I told them I need like $5,000 more, and they gave it to me. So you definitely want to call and see if you can get a higher limit. And remember, these are just for people that really want to just get it reported, so that you guys can have higher limit credit cards on your credit reports. So definitely, if you guys already signed up for the My Jewelers Club before, you had problems with this one before, then you may want to just go ahead and look into these two. And I believe you should be able to apply for both of them on the same day. But remember, your Equifax credit report is the one that's going to get pulled with your credit score. So try to have like at least a 620, 640, and nothing negative on your credit reports, unless it's paid off. You may can have it on there if it's paid. I'm not sure if I had something on there paid at the time, but I believe everything was clear from Equifax. So try to have that going for you again. And if you guys have any questions, or you want me to do a special video for you, definitely let me know, because I can go ahead and do that video for you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt
so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.